What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about circuits of value, which has pumped up 80% in the last 24 hours, making it just over 0.01 cents. As you can see, it has pumped up quite a bit in the last 24 hours. Not even the last 24 hours, it all started about 5-6 hours ago, where it pumped up in value, hitting nearly about 0.02 cents target, and right now dropped back down and slowly starting to go back up. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop back down in value? And looking at both buyers and sellers' point of view, and of course looking at its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, is a crypto worth investing into? And of course, with 2023 just around the corner, is it a crypto worth investing, holding on to next year? Would you rather put your money into a different crypto? So on and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is up just over 2% in the last 24 hours, and circuits of value has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list right now, gaining over 90% in value. And again, this crypto just keeps going up in value. In the last hour, it has more or less fluctuated, and over the last day, as you can see, it's been performing very well. Over the last week, it is 42% up, and over the month, 26%. We can see a slight dip here in early November, and right now has had a major peak in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 2,500% up in the last 24 hours, making it just under $5 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Coval. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. As you can see, 84% buy against 16% sell. So we do have a huge amount of money being invested into circuits of value, and minority of the people are selling the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of circuits of value, which at the moment is 0.01057. However, it is trading at a higher value at 0.01425, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So what we're going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's get straight into it. Zooming in here, we can see that the blue line is looking just about straight. It's not looking bullish or bearish, literally, or actually, sorry guys, it is slightly slanting towards the negative direction, meaning very minimal drops are expected. However, we'd got the orange line looking bullish, looking quite steep, actually going in a positive direction, which is not realistic at all, because the only reason why we're seeing it going in a steep direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. So again, what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours, so by early tomorrow to midday, I'm expecting an overall drop in value on circuits of value. Only reason for that is, mentioned it plenty of times in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies here. So guys, I'm expecting an overall drop in value on circuits of value, let's say by midday tomorrow. And again, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently dropping in value, of course not. We are going to see green candles, we are going to see red candles, it's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome in this case seems to be more on the negative direction, more or less moving down to its SMA indicator in purple, which is about 0.01 cents. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here now? Yes, once again, we are not looking too realistic. and in this case we got both the blue and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking very positive, looking very steep as well, meaning yes, it is not realistic. So again, an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting on this crypto over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, we should be back down to below the 1 cent target is what my predictions are as of right now. However, this may change according to how the crypto market performs. If there are any major pumps, major crashes, so on and so on, these things are not expected, but anything like that I will of course let you guys know. But as of right now, an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting. And yes, a lot of people have been asking me, is it time to invest into the crypto right now as it's pumping? Personally, no, it's not. It is a very risky time to get into it because it's gone so high in value, it's likely to drop back down. And yes, it's already started to drop back down. As you can see, 3 candlesticks, 3 red candlesticks consistently happening. So again, that shows that it's not the right time to invest into it. But again, if you guys feel like it is, doesn't mean that you shouldn't do it. It's entirely up to you what you guys want to do. But personally guys, from my predictions at the moment, I would wait for it to drop further if you really want to invest into the crypto. Moving on to the daily chart, what can we see here? Now, we're not looking as steep. Well, the blue line is, however, the orange line isn't. It is just about going in a positive direction. So yes, an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming months. So let's say mid-December to late December and early January as well. So let's say towards the end of this year, early next year, we should expect an overall increase in value on circuits of value. But again, it's not going to be nothing major. It's going to be a very minimal increase in value. Again, I'm still expecting it to drop in value over the coming hours, coming days, but it should slowly start to pick back up in value over the coming weeks and months as well. But again guys, if you guys want regular updates on circuits of value, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can on this crypto. But so far, over the long run, yes, it looks like it is going to slowly and steadily start to recover. But again, this may change on, according to any new updates, any collaborations, any news that come across to do with circuits of value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. However, there isn't much we can do here. Only reason for that is we are in the lower part of the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit around 0.063 cents, which we are not even close to. We're going to have to go at least for about a 400 to 500% increase, which I'm not expecting from circuits of value anytime soon, and even in the long run as well. Yes, I'm expecting an increase, but not that much of an increase. So for most of this year and potentially most of next year, it's very likely we are going to be stuck in the red zone. But that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction, we should be good to go. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale, guys. These are my takes and my predictions on circuits of value. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low you guys predict this crypto to go, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. A special thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.